next thing is rise. So I've got the Sard wing from the 8.6, and I'm gonna see what it looks like on this. I had a quick test fit the other day, and it looks like it could fit. So yeah, I'm gonna take my gloves off so I don't scratch up the carbon, because we got like metal. Then I'm gonna figure out what's going on with the mirror. I'm gonna go pick up those floor mats. Right now I've got FRS all weather mats in here. So I cleaned those mats, they came out, when they dried there was still so much dust coming off them. So I just figured, fuck it. Like, found a set for $40 brand new in Vancouver, so I'm just gonna pick those up. Probably sell the other ones for something, I don't know. I'll give them another clean and, you know, they'll be whatever, so yeah. Just had the wing mocked up. I think it could fit if it's not going to bolt on. I think you could make it fit without like damaging the wing permanently or having to make permanent modifications. But they want us, you know, they don't sit the same way. So the way that the 8.6 is just different, so they're angled in too much, and then they would need to come down. So I think what would have to happen is it would have to be risen up, because you have to slam the boot and it would definitely scratch the car. But so I knew it wasn't going to be put on today unless it would just hold up, but I don't know. Like, it's kind of cool. It's a really cool wing. I think I prefer it to like STI. But I would need to. Yeah, I like it. I didn't want to like it because it's going to be work to make it work. Fuck, I like it. It suits the car, I think, because you've got the like teardrop and man, it looks really good. Yeah, we'll make it work. I think I'm definitely going to put it on for a little while if I can figure out ways to do everything without damaging anything. Fuck, it looks good. I much prefer 10 STI wing. Much prefer it. I really don't like that wing, the new STI wing. How does it look when you're driving? It's actually not that bad. It's going to have to happen. Yeah, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, so it's only 10 to 6, but yeah, so the problems are, there's a couple, there's many. It fits too, like, it's pitched down too much here. So what'll have to happen, you can see this is not straight enough. So it's not going to be easy, because the problem is that this looks really good, but it's hitting the car. So you're going to have a horrible scratches from closing it. So that needs to go up. Fine. It needs to go up here and here, but more, it needs to go up at an angle on the inside. So I need a plate that is tall enough to lift this off, so not that tall, and then something like the plate that we have, hopefully that would do it. But then you run into the thing of, is this going to be over too far and not go in further? It's not an easy thing to for sure if it's going to work, but damn, I think it looks good enough that it's worth making work, because it's just going to like I think it looks good. Kind of starting to second guess it a bit now, but So yeah, I'll have to say, am I a dumbass? Yeah, I figured out how to make it work. My original plan, which was to just put the legs on the outside simply, and it makes up most of it, straightens it up. I really like the look. It can't stay for the reason that it will just chew up the metal. Can't stay for good. So what I'm going to have to do is probably get thinner plate than what I've used on the bottom, or something to space it up. So yeah, I'm not working on anything right now. Just kind of wanted to capture the moment of the guys on the way to pick up the 8.6, so I'm just getting some tools so I can take my plate off and out of this car, and yeah, it's going to be gone. It was so weird last night. I got Jess to look through it just to make sure I didn't leave anything, because I always do that when I sell cars. Always. It's always a bit easier when you've transitioned to your new one. But yeah, so we both quite sentimental about it. Just because we moved to Canada, we're on our own. It's just been a complete new start, and that was my car was a new start too. So everything we've done in it. So many good memories. So yeah, it's definitely sad to see it go, but the deal the deal is going fantastically. So we got my asking price, so it's been a very cheap motoring experience. So I just have to remember that. It's just hard when this is not that clean yet, a little bit, but I do enjoy driving it. So I don't know, just gotta spend a little bit more money on it, and I'll be really happy with it. So I'll keep it for probably a year, and then I'll see. Maybe get an. Yeah, we'll talk about that. But I'm already thinking about the next car. But I've had this for a while now, so anyways, that's all I'm gonna update for now. And provided the sale goes well and I don't get killed, I'll be putting the wing on this later, because I got some metal for that, so that's exciting. Later. Hey, so back at the WRX. Continuing on with the wing, so I made up these plates to rise the wing up just a little bit. I'm going to wrap them so they won't scratch the paint. I'm just going to do that really quickly. I'm pretty sure they're going to work, hopefully. If not, then I'll need to use this material underneath, the thicker stuff on top. But I hope it's enough to make it not hit anymore. So yeah, we'll see. Just gonna wrap it up and try it out. So yeah, I got the plate on. It seems to work. Definitely hitting still, but I think when the pressure's on it, on the side, it should be okay. We'll see. So after another 3 hours with this wing on another car, got it on. Have it on full tilt at the moment. I really like it with a little less tilt, but I couldn't get it to fit the width that I wanted to. So what I had tried, I'm not sure was the best way. So first what I had done is I had this smaller plate. I had this on the outside, and the other plate underneath, which is what I would have had on the 8.6, just that plate to spread out the pressure. And when I would close this, it was too close, as you can imagine. And I couldn't fit two of the thick ones, so swapped them around, made a thinner metal for the bottom, a thicker one for the top. Then put it on, and it was better, but it was actually perfect with the legs on. And then when I put the wing on, I was mounting the wing the other way around, because I thought it would make the legs stick up further, which makes the wing higher slightly, and also wider. And it just lined up really well. But the problem was, it was kicking the legs out and putting a ton of pressure on them, and then they would point down, and then they would hit the car again. So I had all tape. I have a little bit of tape on it now, similar to what I had on the 8.6. It worked out fine. Honestly, seems close just like it now. So yeah, there was with the other way you have to like slam it, and it was definitely going to fuck up the paint. So yeah, I'm really happy that got it to work finally. I'm gonna go to bed now.